Allow me to introduce Canurta GPT, our innovative AI-powered tool that automates compliance processes, expedites regulatory filings, and empowers advanced analysis of large datasets, including our blockchain database. By integrating with OpenAI's API, Canurta GPT streamlines regulatory workflows, saving time, ensuring accuracy, reducing errors. Additionally, its user-friendly interface, collaborative features, and powerful data analysis capabilities revolutionize the regulatory landscape, enabling us to navigate through vast datasets effortlessly and uncover valuable insights for informed decision-making. With Canurta GPT, we optimize our processes, gain actionable intelligence, and drive transformative advancements in regulatory filings. No one else can see our data. We are using OpenAI algorithms. Now let's turn the floor to Robyn to show you a live demo.
And so now that we have all of this clinical and manufacturing data, we can use large language models to complete sophisticated analysis in record time. We see numerous applications for this technology in Canurta, but today I'm going to highlight how we can automate reporting, such as producing an orphan drug filing. So here I have an example of an outline for a drug filing. Normally a user would manually hunt this information down, but today we're going to prepare this automatically using Canurta GPT. To prepare this filing, I'd come into the application, create a report, assign a name, a data collection. We can upload data through drag and drop, connecting to a database or parsing a web page. Once I've created the report, I can then upload questions just through simple copy-paste and then point and click. We'll also be able to upload questions through templates so users can pre-populate for common filings. Now that I've uploaded the questions, I can then preview the results on the next page. So on this page we see I've got my questions uploaded and they've been assigned to an agent. By clicking Run All, the agent's now going to go through and review each question and assign the appropriate model. We're still working through the reporting piece, so this is just a simulated run. In reality, it would take about an hour to process the responses for all 27 questions. In terms of the foundation models that we have implemented, we have question and answer over documents, summarizing documents, and then querying tabular data in databases or CSV files. Now that the run is finished, I'm just showing a couple of example outputs. So this would be an output for a summary question. We see the summary output with sources. This is an example for Q&A with our sources. And then I have a couple of examples of visualizations. And we'll be able to produce multiple visualizations. Each one is being driven off of a keyword in the question. In addition to our models, users can also edit the question or the response if they want to override the model. They can save those changes. They can also rerun a given question if they want to tweak the query that they're using, and they can run just that question without having to rerun the whole batch of 27. They can also apply a different model if they don't agree with what the agent assigned. And then lastly, they can submit feedback by clicking the like button to provide feedback to the model. By allowing users to submit feedback, we can apply techniques to identify like examples for prompting the model on subsequent filings. So this contributes to our competitive advantage because it allows us to tune the LLM to generate better filings in the future without having to maintain a model of our own. It also gives us flexibility to use other LLM providers. So now, assuming that I'm happy with my results, I can click Next to review my final report. On this page, I have the option to reorder my questions if necessary, or I can just click the download link, which will then export my document to Word. So here I'm opening my document in Word, and we see it's all of those questions and responses now aggregated into one document that I'd then be able to download and share with my reviewers. In addition to that document, we're also going to provide an Excel file that the user can download, and that Excel file is going to have all of the tabular data that was extracted from the tabular queries. So in that Excel file, we'll have the visuals that we produce as charts with our numerical tables. So now, as far as harnessing the power of AI, as you can see, we're leveraging our expertise in biotech to fuel a GPT application that will set the standard for optimizing our internal processes. But one of the fascinating and exciting things about working with GPT applications is really the speed with which we can develop and get to market. And so we are looking at using our GPT application as more than just an internal solution. We are also looking at how we can pivot our internal application as an external SaaS offering. So as far as with our SaaS offering, we're going to capitalize on our industry knowledge to develop an application targeted at biotech, which is both secure and flexible enough to use the models from the leading LLM providers such as OpenAI, Cohere, Google Bard, and so on. In addition to our external SaaS offering, as an advisor, we also have the opportunity to use our expertise to generate additional revenue streams through consulting services in other industries. The benefit there being more than just adding to our bottom line, but also giving us the opportunity to glean valuable insights across other sectors and incorporate it into improving our own operations.